Greetings, beautiful beings. Welcome to our 5-minute Shift Your Mind meditation that can be completed on any day at any time throughout your day. Feel free to continue laying down in your bed or wherever you are resting, or you can sit up with your legs crossed, straight elongated back with your hands on your knees facing upwards to receive all of the goodness that this practice will bring. Keep a slight gaze or feel free to close your eyes and breathe here naturally. If it is comfortable, you can loosen the muscles in your face, dropping your mouth slightly open and releasing your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Breathing here naturally with your eyes still gently closed, we invite you to challenge yourself to learn and grow by practicing gratitude and self-care. By doing so, you can visualize success through goal setting, surrounding yourself around positive individuals, and by consuming valuable information and knowledge necessary for you to truly learn and grow. Take a deep inhale through your nostrils and exhale out of your mouth with a big sigh. Find the natural rhythm of your breath and breathe here naturally. Imagine that you open double doors and enter into a room with a black couch, a side table with a journal and pen, and a projector playing on the large wall in front of the couch. You walk towards the couch and pick up the journal as you circle around the table to sit comfortably on the couch. You distinguish which emotions are coming up, how your body wants to move, and what exactly is happening around you. Continue breathing here naturally. You look at the journal and notice a list of goals that you have manifested for yourself and want to complete in an effort to evolve into your highest self and fulfill your purpose in this lifetime. As you read each goal out loud, you see the goal play out on the screen in front of you. Continue breathing here naturally. After reading your last goal, the screen projector switches to the scenes of all the factors that are prohibiting you from completing all of these desired goals. Your body may begin to experience negative emotions, whether fear, anger, frustration, or sadness. Allow yourself to feel these sensations holding you back and channel these energies as a foundation to overcome what is preventing you from shifting your mind and moving forward with who you truly want to be. To release these impedances, let's take a deep inhale through your nose and exhale it all out through your mouth with a deep sigh. Again, gather all of these factors that's attempting to block your evolution, and on your exhale, sigh it all out. One last time, accumulate these disturbing distractions on your inhale, and with the largest sigh in this practice, free yourself on your exhale. Place one hand over your heart and your other hand over your stomach and regulate your natural rhythm of breathing, allowing your body to resonate in the present moment as you transform your mind and become the greatest version of yourself. Recognize your awareness of controlling yourself, your emotions, your thoughts, and not judging yourself. You are not in a race or competition with anyone, but just here to become your best self through patience, remaining focused, being disciplined, and showing yourself grace when times get difficult. Just know you have full power of what you do and how to fulfill your purpose in this lifetime. Let's take one last deep breath in through your nostrils and release it all out through your mouth with a huge sigh. All right, beautiful beings. As we close this meditation, we manifest intentional thoughts, genuine thoughts, and peaceful thoughts. Intentional words, genuine words, and peaceful words. Intentional love, genuine love, and peaceful love. And if you would like added affirmations and manifestations, we are going to take a deep inhale to prepare. And on your exhale, we are going to do I am power statements. I representing inspiration, A representing affirmations, and M representing manifestations. I am proactively shifting my mind and evolving into the highest version of myself. I am magical. I am divine. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I am peaceful. I am focused. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am enough. I am here to achieve optimal wellness. I am taking back my power. And I am grateful for another day and another opportunity at life. Thank you, Ashe. Now, if you are prepared to move forward with your day, we are going to go ahead and take a breath in to prepare and exhale and begin to awaken your body. Open your eyes and wiggle your fingers and toes. Close your mouth and breathe naturally. If you are laying down, take an inhale to prepare, and on your exhale, turn over onto your side in a fetal position. Stay here for a moment and place your hand on the ground and lift yourself up into a seated position. If you are sitting, uncross your legs, release your arms, and shake both gently. Thank you so much for participating, and we hope that you enjoyed this Shift Your Mind meditation today. Feel free to save this for future reference. We manifest a positive, productive, and peaceful remainder of the day. Peace.